Okay.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Anupama, from 8th SEM B section, RYMS Engineering College, Ballari. Today, I'm going to explain about my seminar, that is the smart glass system, under the guidance of Mrs. Kavita Juliet, ma'am. Here, smart glass system is nothing but a gadget which contains the glass system. It is mostly useful for the people. It is mostly useful for the people who are in these days. Most of the people are so busy in their works, and they don't have time to take their phone and check every message and important messages they are getting. So this is helpful for them, so that they used to not to take always their mobiles to see their important issues going in their mobile. So they can just view their take their lenses or spectacles. In that way they can see all the information which contains in the mobile, so that they can do their work as well as they can check their mobiles, the important information, calls, messages arriving in their phone. The smart glass system helps you to access the content of your phone, like date, time, phone calls, and messages. You can even see date and time in the smart glass system. Is not high and the glass system is not a high level budget, but the basic feature of this gadget can be proved to be helpful for the people who are differently abled. That means differently abled, it means they may or they get irritated, like to check always the phone, and they don't like all those things. They'll be somewhere else, and the work may be something stressed work or tensions, etc. Anything maybe. In that case, they can just view the smart glass system, and they can see whatever they want in their mobile phone. And smart glass system helps you to access the contents of your phone without using the phone and without losing the concentration of your work you are doing. So the same as I said, that you cannot skip your concentration in your work, and just you can view the smart glass system to see your mobile contents. This gadget has transparent glass, which helps the person to see through it as well as see the display on the screen. Transparent glass, which is in front of lens of spectacles. That means the smart glass will be viewed after you accessing the smart glass system, so that in that you can access everything, and you can even do process in the smart glass system. Next applications of this is, the smart glass have many applications. First, we can capture personal experience with the point of your view of the user, so that you can see you will visible everything with crystal clear to your eyesight. And navigation on roads, even if you're driving also, you can navigate to a smart glass system without deviating your mind to phone or a GPS or whatever. You can just on the smart glass system, you can navigate your routes. And universe remote control with compatibility devices through hand gestures. So you can just get with the touch only, you can just see all the things that you can control the everything on your mobile with the smart glass. Sight companion for blind people by giving them information through vibrations. Even blind people can use the smart glass system. They will be notified with the vibrations, the contents of their mobile phone. Students can view textbooks and 3D words. So students can also learn everything by the smart glass system with the 3D words. They can like they can view everything in practical studies, and also promotes playing outside of the with the interactions with others. So we can even play in the smart glass system with others who are not, we cannot reach them. In the smart glass system, even we can play with them, and can display performance measures and comparisons. So the display the smart glass system, we can measure the length, and how much we can process in the smart glass system. In the hardware requirements, the smart glass system contains head-mounted displays are not designed to be workstations, and the traditional inputs such as keyboard, mouses are also not used in the smart glass system. Instead, the computer HCI, that means computer interface, and control input needs to be methods lend themselves to mobility and or hand-free are used to candidate. For example, touchpad and buttons. In this smart glass system, we use touchpads and buttons. There is no keyboard, no mouse, no CPU, etc. Anything. Just we use touchpads and buttons to access the smart glass, and compatible devices like smartphones or control unit for remote control. And speech recognition. That means the voice will be recognized to open the smart glass systems. And gesture recognition. That means the touch of your handprints or foot, any the gesture. That means if you select any touch, that will be opened by the smart glass system. And eye tracking. The eyeball also can access your smart glass systems. Yeah, in development. That means hardware components in development. That means beyond glasses. So in beyond glasses, we'll be having Magni Super Co. Limited. That means adjustable wearable glass display that can be attached to regular prescription glasses. That means adjustable wearable display. That means the display can be adjusted. That is used in the smart glass system. And also technical illusions, wearable AR devices for gaming. And Apple glasses by Apple. That means for Apple systems also we will be giving the Apple Way glass devices. And also scooters, a virtual retinal display may be broader industries. And the virtual retina display also is applicable in this. AMA expert in advanced mobile applications, software for off-shelf customizable smart glass interface. And the Efifami eyewear smart glasses developed by Virgins Labs at subsidiary of Snap Inc. And Epson, the Epson company products are mostly used in this smart glass system. That is B300 by 350 and Movidia Pro BT 2000 to 2200 augmented reality smart glass by Epson. And every side Raptor glass off for cyclists. And I-type, that means mounted camera. If you that the camera is captured like I-type, if you rotate the eye, that the screen will get closer to you.
Then
and next,
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not in the market. It is under development.
Which this is in the market, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Market.
Yes, ma'am.
Means you have shown it is in development.
Where, ma'am?
Next slide. Next slide.
Software, hardware required.
You have explained now, no? In development.
Okay, in development, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
No, it is in development or it is in the market.
In development means, ma'am, in smart glass inside the development, ma'am. That it's not like present developing, no, ma'am. In development means inside the smart glass, ma'am. What hardware systems have been developed inside the glass, ma'am. Next, we'll having software requirements. I-type, that is mounted, this also comes under software. And GoldenEye Infinity, a wearable glass screen for Android, Windows, host devices. That means if you are the users of Android and Windows, this software has been accessed for the smart glass systems. And Google Glasses optical head mounted display. For Google Glasses, it is optical head mounted display is used in the process. Next is the first introduction ISO and Android compatibility smart safety glasses manufactured by iStick. That this is the iStick, which is the software that is installed in the smart glasses. And Magic Leap, Microsoft HoloLens, a pair of mixed reality smart glasses with high definition 3D optical head, mounted display and spectral round, developed and manufactured by Microsoft using Windows holographic platform. The 3D optical head, that means 3D view. That means you can. I said that students can use these smart glasses to their practical information in the 3D process. So this is used for the students to study their concepts. And Pivot Thread Smart, simple modular application ready technology, released in October 2014. The sixth sense, wearable AR devices. These are the software requirements which are inbuilt in the smart glass system. Next is methodology. In these various methods have been used for the process of the smart glass system. The most of these techniques can be summarized into two types. That is curved mirror based and also waveguide based. The techniques has been used in iTabs by Meta in their Meta 1, by Vuzix in their Start STAR 1200 product by Olympus and by Laser Technologies. These methods have been used by Laser Technologies, by Meta One, by Music in the STAR 1200 product. The various waveguide techniques have existed for some time. These techniques include different optical, holographic opticals, polarized opticals, reflective opticals, and projections. Diffractive waveguide, the slatted different granted elements, nanometric, that is 10E, that 9. Nokia technique now licensed to music. First of all, this has created for the with the use of Nokia techniques, and now it is licensed taken by the music company. And holographic waveguide, 3 holographic optical elements HUO sandwiched together, RGB, used by Sony and Konica Minolta. Reflective waveguide, thick light guide with single semi-reflection mirror. This technique is used by Epson in their Movio product. The Epson company has that means access to many things for the smart glass systems. That is single semi-reflective mirror. The mirror which can reflect our eye contact. That means gestures for open, unlocking our devices. So this is used for that. Virtual retina display, that is VRD, also known as retinal scan display or retinal projector. It is display technology that draws a raster display directly onto the retina of the eye, developed by Microversion Insect. The technical illusions cast AR uses a different technique with a clear glass. Glasses have a projector and the image to return to the eye by the reflective surface. This has a projector that the eye retina can be reflected for the glass, and that shows the information in the mobile or whichever device we are accessed to. The smart glasses are young piece that is first portrayed in late 2012. This smart glass has portrayed first in 2012, and the APX Labs has portrayed many smart glasses, including the first ever. The APX Labs have been processed to access these smart glass systems. Google Glasses was breakthrough for smart glass manufactured for Foxconn Technology Group. This technology group has processed the smart glass systems. Next, flowchart. First of all, this notification received, that means this notification is received in our mobile, so that if yes means encoded phone number, if the notification is received, that encode the phone number. If the notification is not received, then the encode date and time. If you want to see the notification, we have to encode the phone number. If you want to see date or time, that encodes the date and time. The next that will transmitting and receiving. That means the information in our mobile will be transmitted and received in the smart glass system, so that will be decoded and processed. That gets processed, and then execution. That execution means the display in our mobile phones, everything will be displayed in our smart glass. That makes the execution process. So this is the clear process of the smart glass system. Next, expected result and discussions. As with our life logging and activity tracking devices, the GPS tracking unit and digital camera of some smart glasses can be used to record historical data. That means we can also record the data of some camera smart glasses. So we can record our information or anything which we needed. So that in smart glasses we can also have the option of recording. For example, after the completion of workout, data can be uploaded into a computer or online to create a log of exercise activities for analysis. So that after the completion of the work, the total work which I have done will be recorded in our computer. Some smart watches can serve as full GPS navigation devices, displaying maps and current coordinates. Users can mark their current location and then edit the entry's name and coordinates, which enables navigation to those new coordinates. So that we will be seeing this navigation through GPS, which will be held in our watches. By using our watch, we can we can access the watch to our mobile, that means Apple mobile, so that the GPS will be on in our watch itself. In our watch itself, we will be seeing all the directions and everything. Although some smart glasses models manufactured in the 21st century are completely functional as standalone products, most manufacturers recommended or even required that customers purchase mobile phone, handset, and the run to the same operating system, so that the two devices can be synchronized for the for the additional and enhanced functionality. Although the 21st century, that means the new technologies have been admired in the 21st century, so that the new all new additional processes has been accessed in the smart glass system in the 21st century. The smart glasses can work as an extension for head-up display or remote control for a phone and alter user communication data such as calls, SMS, message, email, and calendar invites. Next is this similar to the component smartphone, camera, sensor, GPS, speakers, and all these are technologies used in the smart glass system. Eye tracking and mini projects also we can do in the system. 3D objects, that is display in a single eye and access information through apps. That means the apps which contains in our mobile will be accessed information in the smart glass also. Onboard computer processes all of the information. Even we can use this by computer also. The computer systems information also will be tracked by the smart glass systems. Comes to the conclusion. This smart glass is useful for people nowadays who are concentrating on their work as well as they want to check the calls or messages. It can be done without picking up the phone of the by the eye. This is also very useful for the people who are differently able. And smart glasses are formed for augmented reality. The promising technology that comes with many ethical dilemmas hasn't been extraordinarily successful so far. Not the same as virtual reality. Learn what are argument. Yes, ma'am.
Promising technology that comes with many ethical dilemmas.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing promising technology that comes with many ethical dilemmas. That means the promising technology that means. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Go slow.
Okay. Technology that means future. That means still we wanted to improve those technologies, ma'am. That means they have not implemented still in smart glasses, ma'am. So in future we will be come through even these technologies also, like ethical dilemmas. Ethical dilemmas means some technologies which we haven't seen them in smart glasses, and the smart glasses nowadays not more, they're not useful more. So some people are using these smart glasses. So in future we will be adding more technologies, that is promising technologies, that means still more beneficial to the users, so that in future also many people will be using this smart glasses. And yes, ma'am, same virtual, not the same as virtual reality. So by using these smart glasses, we will not feeling that we are in virtual world. That means we will be so reality. If we are using the smart glasses, ma'am, we will be feeling that we are in reality. So that in future we wanted to do all these such type of things, ma'am. And application technical smart. References we have taken from IEEE paper, this topic, and some papers which we have searched in internet, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. What is the cost of this?
Ma'am, cost, ma'am, it will be like it is our wish, ma'am. There is some levels, ma'am, like how much, what type of what type of that means phone, mobile. For mobile, some cost, ma'am. For laptop, some cost. So like that, ma'am.
What is the average cost of it?
Average cost, ma'am, I don't know. Average cost, I don't know. But it depends on the product.
You should know all these things.
Okay, ma'am.
Whether it is user friendly.
Yes, ma'am. It is user friendly only, ma'am. It is user friendly. Ma'am, just if you are in some work, ma'am, in nowadays we have so busy life, ma'am. If your mobile is somewhere, you don't know where it is also. Just if you use your lens, that means if you keep it for eye or else spectacles, with the small access only we can we can track everything, whatever in the phone. Just we will be displaying a smart glass in front of us, ma'am, just in some distance, so we can track by our finger itself, ma'am, everything we can do. If you want to close it, just you can with the single step we can close it and we can take the spectacles off, take off.
Okay, is any users are using this?
Yes, ma'am. If you wanted to use this, you really wanted to do that thing, you can use, ma'am. If you don't wanted to use, you can use your mobile or laptops. It's user's wish, ma'am. If they don't wanted to use, they don't. they don't.
Oh. Anything to tell?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. No?
Yeah,
That's
that's
all?
it, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, that's it, ma'am.
Okay,
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 ma'am.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.